What's up? Welcome back. Today we're gonna be gay. No, cut that. Stop. Anyway, we're gonna be cooking with Chef Ray. So today we are gonna be making gourmet ramen noodles. Let's get cracking. So what we're gonna do actually is we're gonna just toss this right into there. Now that we have a good Now that we have a good coat of water on it, it's time to take it outside for a reason. Then we throw it out in the sun for it to dry up for about 20 minutes. Okay, so I've stood out here for about 20 minutes. Time to go check up on our ramen noodle pack. Alright, let's look at it. This isn't a nice pack of ramen noodles, isn't it? Oh shit. That pump was a little bit too much for the gay ramen noodles to handle, so we're just gonna go take that back inside. Alright. I didn't want to have to do this, but we're gonna have to perform surgery on a pack of ramen noodles up here, yeah. Alright, as you can see here, we have a bit of the ramen noodles organ here. You see this? That's the, what do they call? Pituitary gland. Yeah. Oh, and over here, we have the liver, very important part. You can live without it, just not for long. Alright. We got our salvaged organs. Now we're gonna go inside. We're all in this together. Hashtag Corona. Alright. Just put that back in there. Alright, I'm gonna do surgery on this pack of ramen noodles in 3, 2, 1. Doesn't work in real life. Gonna have to carefully insert this in there. Get it deep in there. Another piece. Well, you want some of this piece? Take that. We put it in a bowl. It's kind of good that the ramen noodles exploded mid-punch because the dirt on the ground adds a little extra flavor. I learned from the best family recipe. Now, I know it doesn't look like a lot, but just you wait. Once we go onto the refrigerator, you'll see our best ingredients. What we got here? I thought I had one more of these left. Alright. Have this in there. Now what we're going to do is we're not going to just plop it in there like that. That's lazy. We follow the Woodard recipe. What we do, this is the Woodard way. This is from Meemaw Woodard. She's Cajun. She likes her zebra cakes. We're gonna save that one for dessert. Alright, now we're gonna take our just put that in there. Let me just put some hot water in it. Don't fill it up too much. Fill it only about that much. You can do a little bit more. Go to the fridge. What we got here? Jalapenos. Oh, that's pretty good. What is this? Louisiana hot sauce. That'll be a good substitute for the undisclosed. What is this? And Parmesan cheese. No zebra au sus is done. It's complete without a little bit of those three. Now it's important that you go in order. Jalapenos, hot sauce, and what is this? Parmesan. So we're gonna do jalapenos first. we're gonna put a little bit in there. Only a little bit. There we go. Put the lid back on there. Make sure you guys smash the like. We're gonna do a dab of this. Oh no. And finally, got the raw Parmesan. We're gonna do the sprinkle side of things. Oops. Oh. Alright, took that out with my mind. Gonna do a little bit of that. Give it a nice coat. That's the best in the game. Then, put this in the microwave. Whoopsie doozies. Put that in there, barely. Alright, you put that in there for about 6, 9. Let me do 9. Alright, we put that in there for about 6 minutes and let that cook. Alright guys, here's what it looks like out of the microwave. Now what we're going to do is we're going to contradict everything we just said and go put this in the freezer. Now you might be wondering, pot holders, it's not that long. Well, better safe than gay is what my mom always told me. I'm going to call it, oh okay. Alright, time to eat. Can't eat anything without salt. That's rule number 1. Salt is the best ingredient for stuff like this. Now salt, it's a favorite of mine, you know what I'm saying? So every time I eat salt, I just get a tingly feeling. You know what I'm saying? So salt, yeah, we're gonna add a little bit in there. Actually, I have a funny story about salt. Me and my friend, we ate salt one time. Awesome. Anyway, that's enough salt. We can do a little bit more. So how you guys doing? Alright, I got you. Alright. Now we are ready to feast. Oh god. Oh, it's got everything I want in there. Let me show you guys what I working with. That's a piece of dirt, based on my expert opinion. Get a whiff of that. I'm gonna get some water because I'm kind of parched right now, guys. So, all right, we're just gonna go. Oh, spilled it. Cheers to you, the viewer. Please like the video if you did. I mean, it's so good that I can't. It's so good, no mortal can even. Oh! Alright, guys. Wash that down. We're going back for round 2. Gays for life! Oh! Oh, God. What did I even put in there? Guys, I'm not gonna lie to you. It's not the best I've ever done. It's for sure. I think I'm gonna leave it at that, guys. If you liked it, hit like. Don't like if you didn't. Please subscribe. I'll I'll catch y'all later. Boom. Yeah, I forgot the beef flavor packet. Yay, me. Let's check through this puppy. I like to give it a little shake. You know what I'm saying? Nothing like a good little shake. Alright, here we go. We're gonna tear it open. Oh. Time to eat this devilish doo-doo. Ugh! So strong. Oh. Yummy. Oh. Gonna be honest, doesn't live up to expectations. I ate about a good half of it. That was a flat out lie.
I'll fucking kill you.
Mmm.